Welcome to La Crosse Science. Your 5th grade science year is going to be a lot of fun. We have so much ahead of us. You might be wondering, what are some of the things I have to bring to class? The materials that you have to have are going to be your science textbook, your science notebook, your pencil, and agenda. You're going to need these materials every day, so please don't ask me if you need to bring them to class. Just bring them to class. Your science notebook, which you'll be working in, will be a spiral-bound notebook that I'll ask you to take notes in, and the notes will be collected at the end of each quarter for a grade. But wait a minute, I thought we used iPads in science. Yes, you will use iPads in science, and you will be constantly using them to conduct investigations. You're going to be building things, you're going to have engineering challenges, and a lot of times your iPads will be there to help you record what you're doing, help you showcase what you're learning, and collect data for the different investigations that you are performing. We won't just use iPads. Every once in a while you'll be using computers and the smart board, but with our iPads we do everything from drawing pictures of what we're learning about to creating comic strips and creating postcards, and even sometimes making posters, books, and videos. Take a look. I mentioned that I grade your notebooks, but that's not the only way you get a grade in science. I'm also looking for 3 other key parts. I'm looking for you to progress. I want to see you grow as a scientist from the moment you walk in the room in the fall till when you leave me at the end of the year. I'm looking at your participation. In order to progress, you need to participate. In small groups, whole groups, one-on-one, make sure that you're participating. And then the last way that I'm going to talk about grading right now is your projects. Projects. We do a lot of taking the science that we're learning about and putting it into projects that we can share with other people. So, creating high quality projects that show our understanding. I think you will find that 5th grade science can be a lot of fun. We have so many cool topics to learn, so many awesome projects, and one of the neatest things we do is that in our science class we connect with other people. We have Google Hangouts, we have mystery Skypes, and you're going to find that we find our learning partners all over the United States. We share with them the science that we are learning and investigating, and they share with us. We even sometimes send our projects to them so they can learn about what we're learning about. Oh yeah, homework. Yes, you do have homework because I want you to take the conversations we're having in the classroom and I want you to share them at home. I don't accept late work. I usually give it to you on a Monday and it's due by Friday. Most of the time you can turn it in early and you only have that one assignment a week. Most of the time the assignments are there to help you review what we're doing in class, prepare for a science lab or activity, and maybe sometimes just study the content. So yes, homework's important. Let's make sure we do it. You don't want to miss all the exciting labs and investigations that we're going to complete because you didn't prepare ahead of time. So again, make sure you do your homework so we can see you get your hands on the investigation too. Do I ever give quizzes and tests? Yes, I call them content quick checks. Sometimes I announce them, sometimes they are right after a lab, and I'm looking at what you learned from that lab. And we do have some tests. I only give like 2 to 3 large tests a year, but you do have a 5th grade science OAA at the end. Don't worry, you can do this. It will be fine, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So listen to what these students had to say.
Danny, and you should probably listen to your teacher.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I recommend you to do all your homework in science.
Hi, I'm Nick. One thing that I liked during science was the Lego rover, which there's one.
So let's get ready for a great year in 5th grade science. I'm excited to have you in class. I can't wait to learn with you and explore science, technology, engineering, and yes, we will do a little math in there too. So very excited to have you in my class.